দীনবন্ধু মিত্র, the Neel Darpan. Neel Darpan or the Indigo Mirror, this drama was written by Dinabandhu Mitra, where he had shown the through the characters of the drama the exact nature of the indigo plantation, and with the help of Reverend James Long, very famous, you all know in your area the James Long Sharoni, the parallel to Diamond Harbour Road which runs. James Long, it is named after Reverend James Long, who was the supporter of the indigo farmers, and he had influenced and helped Michael Madhusudan Datta to publish, translate and publish Neel Darpan into English, and for that reason Reverend James Long was arrested by the British government and also he was fined. Now another important personality who had brought in front about this indigo revolt was Kali Prasanna Singho, who was supportive of the indigo farmers, and he was the person who had bailed out Reverend James Long from the arrest of the British government. Okay, now the leaders of this indigo revolt, the indigo revolt actually had started in the Nadia district. Nadia district, basically the village of Chowgacha near Krishnanagar. The indigo revolt broke out in the village of Chowgacha near Krishnanagar in Nadia district in West Bengal. Okay, now the leaders of the indigo revolt were Digambar Biswas, Vishnu Charan, Biswas. Others were also there. Here we come across another important name whom we call the Nana Sahib of West Bengal or Nana Sahib of Bengal. So he was the landlord Ram Ratan Malik. Ram Ratan Malik, who was also known as Nana Sahib of Bengal. He was the supportive of the indigo farmers, though he was the landlord, but like Nana Sahib, who was fighting for getting back his title and the throne, his kingdom from the British, Ram Ratan Malik also was fighting to get back his zamindari from the British and also supporting the indigo farmers in their revolt. That is why he is known as the Nana Sahib of Bengal. So these people, they have given the leadership to the farmers to revolt against the indigo cultivators or indigo planters. Now, the main feature of the indigo revolt were, it was the largest farmers revolt in Bengal, and near about 60 lakh farmers, they had burst into revolt. Now, before I proceed with the characteristic features of the revolt, indigo revolt, let me tell you about an important term regarding the indigo revolt, which is Shamchan. Now, what was the Shamchan? Shamchan was the leather whip, the hunter or the whip with which the indigo planters used to beat the rebellious indigo farmers. So it was a very fearsome equipment for the farmers. Whenever they protested against the plantation of indigo, the indigo European planters, they used to beat the farmers, poor farmers, with this leather whip, and it was a force of terror for the indigo farmers. So what was Shamchan? You will have to write that it was a leather whip to torture the rebellious indigo farmers by the European indigo planters. So it was a means of torture. Okay, next we move on to the characteristic features of indigo revolt. Now, as I was telling that the first characteristic feature was that it was the largest farmers revolt in Bengal. Next, it had the support of the middle class, educated middle class. Next, had the support of some of Europeans. Next, it had been inspired by the inspiration was taken from the Sepoy Mutiny. Inspiration from Sepoy Mutiny and Santhal Revolt. And lastly, it was for the first time a mass revolt had been held. Like previously, so many people were not included. Near about 60 lakh. You can imagine how many people were involved in this revolt. So we can call it that it was the mass revolt for the first time. Mass revolt for first time. So characteristic features. Students, we will move on to the importance of the Indigo Revolt. Now, for the importance, an Indigo Commission, the first time an Indigo Commission was established or founded, and it had declared that the cultivation of indigo was harmful and it should not be carried on. And for that reason, they had founded the Teen Katia system. Now, Teen Katia system, it is an important topic. What was the Teen Katia system? Teen Katia system was the farmers were asked to cultivate indigo, 3 kathas of land per bigha. That means 1 bigha consists of 20 kathas. So out of 20 kathas, 3 kathas of land was to be cultivated in indigo. So 3 by 20 kathas of land was kept for the indigo cultivation. So this was the Teen Katia system. Now, with the introduction of chemical dye, when the indigo was manufactured in the laboratories, after the invention of the technique of indigo manufacture, the cultivation of indigo slowly, eventually it died away. It was stopped. Only in Champaran district in Bihar, this Teen Katia system still prevailed, and it was only after Champaran Satyagraha held by Gandhiji in the year 1917 that this Teen Katia system was finally abolished. Now, thirdly, it was that it had got the support of the whole country, and people in entire country, especially the educated people, they came to know about the exact condition of the indigo farmers, and they supported the indigo farmers in their revolt. And next, the poor farmers, they were united, and they started the revolt against the unjust economic condition. Remember, the Dadun, they were forced to take the advance payment for cultivation of indigo, and for that reason they revolted. They rejected to accept the advance payment. So it was not a political revolt, but it was a revolt against the economic wrongdoings. The economic wrongdoings by the British government. And next importance was that the educated middle class, they had come forward to support the farmers for the first time, and the middle class people, with the support of the middle class people, the government had to listen to the plight of the indigo farmers, and they had to set up the Indigo Commission. Next, the last importance will be that they got the sympathy from some of the British people. Some of the British people got the support have not supported the Sepoy mutiny, but they had supported the indigo farmers in their revolt. So that was a great achievement for the indigo farmers. Support of the middle class they have got, then support of British, some of the British people, some section of British. Okay, so these were the importance of the Indigo Revolt. Now, Indigo Revolt comes as an 8 marks question. You will have to write an essay on Indigo Revolt in the exam. Now, the PDF which you are going to get about the Indigo Revolt, that you will have to prepare very well for your exam.